Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to change the chat theme on Facebook Messenger. Whether you want to add a splash of color or personalize your conversations, it's quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're in, tap the Messenger icon at the top right corner of the screen. This is the speech bubble symbol that takes you directly to your conversations. Next, select a conversation you'd like to customize. It can be with a friend, family member, or even a group chat, whatever you prefer. Once the conversation is open, look for the info icon in the top right corner of the chat screen. It's represented by a small I inside a circle. Tap on it to access the settings for this specific chat. Now, tap on the Theme option. This will bring up a list of available themes for your Messenger chat. Scroll through and explore the options. You'll find various designs, colors, and gradients to choose from. After selecting your desired theme, tap Confirm to apply it. The changes will instantly take effect, transforming the look and feel of your conversation. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Messenger chat theme. This customization applies only to the selected conversation, so feel free to repeat these steps for other chats if you want different themes for each one. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might enjoy sprucing up their Messenger chats as well.